White Star power driver board. This one's from a Lord of the Rings. It had a blown FET at Q2. And it did blow up, as you can see. Also had a few headers that required replacement. I replaced the one below Q2. It was easier to get to it. And then one over here, I always replace the power header. GI is working perfectly. Board's delivering nearly right on 5 volts. And then your solenoid and flasher voltages down here are perfect also. Let's put it into test. Oops. Not switch test. Coil test. And here's my homemade tester. And it's going to cycle through every one of these circuits. Some of the blanks are different durations because it's a different kind of coil attached to the circuit, and Starship Troopers, which is the CPU I'm running here, knows how long it can pulse said coil. Now that's the first 16. It's going to skip the next 4 because on Starship Troopers, those drive a stepper solenoid and they don't show up here in this test. But when I boot the game, those are operating normally. And I'll show you that at the end. Okay, those are all the coils. Lamp test. Let's do them all. Working perfectly. Flashers, that's just another version of the coil test. You can see it's walking through all the flashers that Starship Troopers would have in the game. And that is the end of all the capability that the driver board provides. Let me reboot and I'll show you these flashers, or these circuits there, working properly. And again, those are trying to drive the bug that's in the upper left port of the Starship Troopers playfield. I'm calling this board 100% good. Thank you so much for sending it.